a NASCAR celebration, Chrysler at the APA, and a brand spanking used sales record. Those were among the 5 significant stories under the Pentastar. Chrysler reached another manufacturing milestone as the 25,000th Dodge Viper rolled off the line at Conner Avenue Assembly Plant in Detroit. In a ceremony marking the event, Chrysler Chairman and CEO Bob Nardelli handed the keys to the milestone Dodge Viper over to Dodge NASCAR Sprint Cup Series driver Kurt Busch. Before racing off, Busch took time to talk to his Conner Avenue fans, leaving behind some sweet memories and some treasured autographs.
Today was a very special day to receive the 25,000th Viper. Special for me, but yet very special for the employees here. They put their heart and soul into this car, just like my mechanics do on my race car. And so when you have something built by hand, it's very special.
Another Dodge NASCAR hero, Ryan Newman, was on hand at the Chrysler Technology Center in Auburn Hills to celebrate his Daytona 500 win. Newman, who won his first Daytona 500 in February, was greeted with a roar of applause by employees. Chrysler global sales continue to show strong numbers from several international markets. In Italy, the company's highest volume international market, sales increased 12% during the first 2 months of the year, and growth in China reached almost 30%. International sales were up 9% overall from the same month last year, 33 consecutive months of year-over-year growth. It will take greater technology and a major change in customer driving habits to meet new federal fuel economy standards, but the auto industry is up to the task. That was the main message from Deb Morrissett, Chrysler Vice President, Regulatory Affairs, during a presentation before the Automotive Press Association in Detroit.
This industry is committed to meeting the challenges of the Energy Independence and Security Act of 2007, but that won't be nearly enough. We're going to need cleaner fuels, including national low-carbon fuel standards and the increased use of biofuels like ethanol, biodiesel. And we need to be sure that our customers are involved in the energy solutions.
And finally, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge dealers sold a new monthly sales record in February, selling 11,677 certified pre-owned vehicles, a 15% increase from 2007. Marketed as brand spanking used Chrysler certified pre-owned vehicles, they are sold only through Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge dealerships. They must be a 2003 through 2008 model pre-owned vehicle with less than 65,000 miles and pass a stringent 125-point mechanical, safety, and condition standard inspection. And those are 5 significant stories happening under the Pentastar. I'm Betty Carrier Newman.